a surprising and worrying incident has recently been reported involving Samsung's latest smartphone, the Galaxy S25 Plus. A user from South Korea said their phone suddenly caught fire while they were holding it. It wasn't plugged in or charging. It just started heating up on its own. What should have been a smooth premium smartphone experience turned into a scary moment. The user, who goes by the name Xiaoijan, online, explained that they were simply using their phone normally when it began to feel hot. Within seconds, it made a loud popping sound, and they immediately dropped it on the floor. Right after that, smoke started coming out, and the device began to burn. The user quickly took the burnt phone to a Samsung service center to find out what happened. However, after inspecting the device, Samsung said they couldn't determine the reason for the overheating and fire. The official response stated that the cause was unknown. The user shared their experience in a post, saying, "I was holding the S25 Plus in my hand, and it started to overheat and make a loud noise, so I threw it on the floor, and it started to ash." Samsung Service Center said that the cause is unknown after investigation. This report has raised concerns among Galaxy users everywhere. While such incidents are extremely rare, they still make people nervous, especially considering Samsung's past issues with battery safety. The Galaxy S25 Plus is supposed to have an improved cooling system with a large vapor chamber to control temperature. Normally, it automatically lowers performance if it starts to overheat. But in this case, something seems to have gone very wrong. What makes the story even more interesting is that several users have already complained online about heating problems with their Galaxy S25 phones. Some people on Reddit mentioned that their devices get quite warm during video calls or while using apps for a long time. One user said their phone reached about 40 degrees C after just 10 minutes of a WhatsApp video call. Another reported that the top part of their phone heats up quickly even with light use. Although most of these complaints they do suggest that the Galaxy S25 series might have some thermal control issues. Most users haven't faced any dangerous situations, but this one case shows that overheating can become a serious problem if left unchecked. This isn't even the first time something like this has been rumored. Earlier, there were reports that another Galaxy S25 unit, said to belong to a Samsung employee, had also exploded. That story never received official confirmation and was soon forgotten, but this new case has brought the issue back into the spotlight. Experts say that smartphones can overheat for many reasons, such as high surrounding temperatures, poor ventilation while charging, or running heavy apps and games for long periods. However, in this situation, none of those seem to apply. The phone wasn't charging, and the user wasn't doing anything demanding. That makes this case especially strange. For Samsung, this is a serious issue that needs quick attention. Even if it's a one-time incident, it could still harm the brand's reputation for safety and reliability. Users want answers and reassurance that their expensive phones are safe to use. So far, Samsung hasn't released an official statement. People are waiting to hear whether this was just a defective unit or if there's a bigger problem behind it. After the Galaxy Note 7 battery crisis years ago, Samsung worked hard to rebuild trust by improving testing and safety measures. That's why this new case is so surprising and concerning. Hopefully, this is just a rare event caused by an isolated fault. Still, Samsung must carefully investigate what happened and share the results openly. Clear communication will help reassure customers that the company takes such problems seriously. Right now, this burned Galaxy S25 Plus is a warning that even the most advanced smartphones can sometimes fail in unexpected ways. Most users will likely never face anything like this, but Samsung must ensure that similar incidents don't happen again. The company's response to this issue will play a big role in keeping user trust strong. Until Samsung makes an official comment, the story of the burning Galaxy S25 Plus remains a troubling reminder that technology, no matter how advanced, can still have flaws, and safety should always come first.